I'm going to be running a messenger ad. This is going to allow the client or customer to message us directly using Facebook Messenger. This will be a back to school promotion. This is the ad set level where we create the targeting. Um, we input the location, where we want the ad to show, our daily budget, interests, things of that nature. So since this is a local business, we're going to be going with Dallas. And since it's a hair salon, we're going to be selecting women to target. This is where we input the interest. We're going to be going with established hair extension companies and a couple of celebrities that are known for their hair. And I usually wouldn't target this broad, but I'm trying to show you that even with broad targeting in the right ad, you're still likely to land a few clients. Now I'm going to narrow my audience to engage shoppers, and that's just narrowing to people who are likely to click on an ad about making a purchase. This is for the placement of the ad. I'm only going to be running the ad in the news feed. We're going to use a $25 a day budget to make sure we reach enough people per day. We should reach anywhere between 900 to 2,900 people. With an audience of 31,000. This is the ad level, so we're going to be making our creative. I'll be using a video. Videos get a lot more reach and they're a lot cheaper to run. Facebook prefers videos over still photos. I've already had my copy pre-written, so I just pasted it over. It's pretty much the same copy I use for all of my ads, or all of these ads. And to sweeten the deal, we'll add some promo codes to try to help entice the potential customer or client to take action. For the newsfeed link description, I'll make sure to mention book. In my headline, also mention book now, because I only want potential clients that are ready to book. So again, we're calling out to a specific person. I'm just tweaking the copy a little bit. This is where we set up our messenger. So we'll be sending the clients directly to a messenger, and it'll respond with a pre-made message.